me pain. Say me sure say Ghana and Nigeria channels our heaven. Mufa boni chemi. I mean, so person was sria our heaven and we tune in e dey abeto Ghana because obesri ewu. Name mom so person wo hwe nyoma. Ebabu adwenu ntaso bi say nipa to me ade we. Now when they were tuning in to Nigeria because somebody there course for Nigeria no a boom movie be a match so and it has to do with Mohbad ni wo ye on the 12th of September 2023 and then a coroner's inquest no ye be say a day na eku Mohbad omuso muntu mi kire usi let's also be me a subscribe button so now wa click the notification icon so now follow ye Facebook, Instagram, Twitter bibia gossips24.com any gossips24 TV now feel free so bet you do comment section na share video so I'm out for so any bia hwe come for edu apa for e dia mouse up plumbers up tilers up electricians up welders up graphic designers up web designers up video editors up video graphics up beauticians any of my yeduma up bi na e deco dia mo contacted my platform numbers that screen so no almost as supervisor on base supervisor ma hwe said man no ehote ansa na wetu omo kan tene eduma for ending komo now it was on the 12th of September 2023 and I'm about to nanom e won siedo me just a question be about utimu an say into omu wie autopsy no it Mohbad autopsy no mu wie na to what say because as far back as Senkamra Yedmo Nigeria as far back as 27th of June 2023 and Mohbad show a letter me just a letter no the entire Mohbad show a letter video no who be social media so e man no Mohbad no e twa music video just some Larry be pim wo ho no be threaten say Mohbad show one letter the Lagos State Police omo anya ho hwe na Mohbad on the 12th of September yet CS Mohbad that try no one said fiti saa time ni na amafo bi say dey na ku no ye hwehwe mu na amale mu na ku no wan na ye ne dey omo na bibi ma no ye omo de ne ko hospital omo won ne panie bi omo hwehwe mu hwe say Mohbad e dey pa de ku no because after 12th of September the no say Kenya amafo de omo ya enka enkoba say a week after say Mohbad wu ye no omo ko sie no ansa na omo ko to Mohbad body no dey so omo ka kwaye ho autopsy. Now since then me just am for bisa say into results na ba and then no mo a coroner's inquest. Now coroner's inquest no session be a course or quarter coroner obi a sebe so obi wu na bia nipa no wu no wu ye na su se bia nipa na fa natural way so no di wu ye na mo be bia obi na bu no obi na ku no obi na ye ni say ya ye ma coroner no be two body no na so kofa baby fi body no ho koye investigations ni ade what I say now my report e dia aba be chechim so ebia nipa simesi ene ku no no ende aba be ka court nti ende no bi ene court so e wo Lagos court a e wo ho no mo a say coroner ni be gina ho ni nkomo be boye ina ni say Mohbad no omuntumi nkire di eku no wo de obefi se me na me make up words ba yen konko tie lawyer ne ba na ye ba ma be kire nsem ni mu e di a kire
according to him the cause of death cannot be determined because he gave a lot of reasons. He said by the time he conducted the test the body had discomposed and that it is not possible for them to determine the cause of death. So in summary, he's saying the cause of death cannot be what? Ascertained. And when you say the cause of death cannot be ascertained, means it is suspicious. It is not clear. No particular reason. But he also went further to say that it may be attributed to reaction to certain drugs administered on him before he died. Again, he then qualified that again to say he does not know whether it is those drugs that actually led to his death. So Like the other senior advocate mentioned, this is an inquiry into the cause and manner of death. The other fact that we revealed today concerning disagreement between Mohbad and his wife, and also the disagreement between Mohbad and the Samdari and all that. All of this came out today from the testimony of one of the witnesses. But what is important is that this pathologist has given his evidence today, and we have taken a day to examine him, to ask him questions on the report. So until those questions are asked, we cannot say this is the outcome. I will just implore everybody to open their mind until we look at all the possibilities.
Sir, with the undefined results, or how do I put it? The doctors, the pathologists saying the
Because of them cannot be ascertained.
don't you think that can spark the public? Don't you think they can react sharply to it?
No, the public should not react sharply to this yet. Because the man who gave evidence as the pathologist is an expert. Don't react until you have seen the full report. As I speak to you, I have not seen the full report. The court has advised that we should apply for the full report. When you see the full report, all of you can read it.
Yes.
So go and read first. If somebody says this is the final verdict, he must have reasons why he says so. So look at not only the final verdict, look at the reasons he gave for arriving at that final verdict before you react. You, the press, you have a lot of role to play in informing the public about what is going on here. The coroner here has an open mind. All the lawyers here are working to ensure that we get to the bottom of this matter. And until we arrive at our destination, we will not rest. Please don't escalate the matter in the public space. The inquiry is still on. We have to senior advocate of Nigeria.
Somebody lawyer can na say Emma Cohen and the Begina court demon. Media in writing form saying a bear ocean crowd to me a kind. Emma Cohen and the Begina demono. Cohen no establish here say, oh, omutu Mohbad body no. 1 week after say Mohbad no. A wuye. And no cry no way see Mohbad. A reansa no mukoko to body no. Again, so no. Oma check body no hu baby ba akum yeru bi ni ade to the liver ni ade. It's Mohbad papa mpo de o mani PF court demo because no person bet na no ahwe bia de omo tu fi Mohbad ho what say bia na ebe ne ya ni ade into de omo Mohbad papa ekotena nche eno omo ni corona ne bo amane se otutu Mohbad ho ewie no mo say na no wesie Mohbad a chenti no na test ni bi wo ho a enhye da mfasa but there are few things we to me establish. One, any say Mohbad na nyo bia na poison no any one. Two, any say na man for ka say Mohbad kra na moja ewo na daka no mu ntine e bia omusie no eniamono no o se da bi omuye test omu say Mohbad omu nsie na eniamono nemum Mohbad wu yansa omusie no nempo no sa moja na man for ka no enchiremu o kakra che say before some bekoko to Mohbad body no na they say insuo ato na insuo ato inti insuo na ato ye na fra egu Mohbad body ni so match say moja kakra bi nyu ya fra nyane kakra na amanfo hu wo videos mu so omo se Mohbad na onwu ye na omo hwese moja kra wadaka no ensuo na to ye no kofa sa kala no e de ba yesa no nti no de enye Mohbad moja bia na je say na Mohbad no ewu ansa na omusie no na test o makare che say Mohbad ne sebe obi an poison no na afesu Mohbad ne sebe ene so obi mia ne kon na oku no na afesu Mohbad no obi ensie no eniamo no na emom no muntumi nkire ade kopotia eku Mohbad no. We say, hey, Nigeria is interesting. I want to mean chere. I go put you cool. No bet me actually say. and no money in a man for castle be a one a panye, obi a man, obi a man, do bonny man and ye, imiano con, and for sin a said I couldn't know we and you bet me at you and yes, I be had this year. No, we try to live on any kidney na the test, or my shiny corn, Nina, Bibias antre. Name the other property you kuno, some mobile wood natural, senior natural, dear, or would you to meet. But you know, this will only happen not just in Nigeria, but in Africa. In Africa. This miracle will only happen here. Because there's an article from A&E, right? They say this article from A&E, you know, actually how our man for binomo systems is here Jumasifa. And this particular story, we be checking it out. It's about lady be a friend of Noreen. What I say, no, Barrington or Illinois. Nikunu ka say, ni we through car kuisha, and this happened in the year 1973. 40 years after, a man no more investigations into choir lady the first year. 40 years after, no more see lady 40 years after, omuko two lady the body no. And determine you say, lady nenya car kuisha ne kuno. Nemum no, ne ku di ade bu bobo ni trim e ma ne we. In that same article on AETV, no, check it. There was another test on we ya. Now, Branty, we nobody charges are born no musio. The victim said back 15. Omuko to two bodies nibi. And this story is about Harold Shipman. I'm here just a movie na mo follow crime stories no. Mo be dia dance here. Omuko two bodies nibi no mu hu ye say. Sir Shipman no. The victims no. Are over 200. And ye 15. What I say? So to think say here in Africa no, obet me ko jina court akoka say oh, as for side normal way am boss say dey kumo bad here. Yeah checks no. Ye hu say nye no bia dey kumo bad. Na mama the property ye kumo bad ni dey. Ye ntumi nche. I Gossips 24. Oh Africa say ya. What I say? Obi fa kwan boni so be the kuwa. We kum free, especially say we need come for. What's a mere mobile? Macro.